guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, I filmed another video before this, but I'm not sure which one I'm gonna upload first. So if this is the video that I'm gonna upload first, I just wanna say thank you guys for watching. It's been a long time. I hope you guys have been well. For you guys who are my Instagram followers, thank you so much for all the motivation for me to come back to YouTube. Really excited to make more videos for you guys. I know a lot of you guys want to see my skincare review, skincare routine, talking about ingredients and what I love and all that. I promise you guys I'm gonna share more. Today, as you can see, I'm gonna unbox holiday sets and I'm gonna do some giveaways for you guys as well for Christmas. Do support me by giving me a thumbs up for this video. If you guys haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please go ahead and subscribe because I'm gonna upload a lot more videos. I'm very blessed that brands send me a lot of Christmas/holiday gift sets, and I thought it would be a good idea to just unbox everything for you guys to see, and at the same time maybe give you guys some idea on what to buy. I will include some recommendations as well, and also I think it's a good opportunity to start my channel by doing a giveaway, a Christmas giveaway. Yep, today I'm just gonna unbox all of them and show it to you guys. So let's go! So first up, let's start with Fresh. You guys know I love Fresh, and I guess they were the first one who sent me their Christmas gift set. Over here, I have their Rose Hydration skincare set. It's such a pretty set, and especially for you guys who want to try most of their Rose product. Look at that, you even get the cleanser, a lip balm, toner, a cream, and a face mask together. I love their Rose Sleeping Mask and the new oil infused serum. They also gave me this black tea essence firming overnight mask with the cleanser, and then they sent me another one, guys. So I have two. Hint hint, I feel like these are really valuable sets, so it's a great time to give someone or yourself. Oh my god, guys, maybe some of you have seen it already on my Instagram, but Claire de Peau, one of the high-end luxury beauty brand, it's crazy, guys. Their holiday collection is Black Swan themed. It's just so freaking beautiful. So they have special design for their The Serum, and I find this one really pretty. Luminizing face enhancer, something like highlighter, right? I think maybe they have this formula, but they just change it into this beautiful design. When I first received this whole box, I was like, so everything just looks really pretty. Show you the lipstick. Something about luxury products, when you buy, you get the quality and the extra finesse. Look at the shape of the lipstick. Next will be good old Laneige. So they have this mini sleeping mask, signature water sleeping mask. A lot of people love this mask. They have the lavender one. Actually, I haven't tried the lavender one. And also the chicha. I love the ingredient chicha. It really soothes and calms the skin. I think it's really good for dry, irritated skin. Then of course, you have the lip sleeping mask, which I love. It's still one of the best lip sleeping masks for me. And there are 3 different flavors in here. Oh my gosh, guys, this is my first time unboxing this with you guys. Is by Innisfree. So cute, so fun. Hand cream set, and Innisfree is a brand that is environmental friendly, affordable, sustainable. Yeah, so cute. I mean, I'm not sure if this is for sale, but ooh, we have a new cup. I think it should be for sale, yeah. Diffuser. We love diffusers. Anything that makes our house smell good. Balm crayon. I think it's a lip color that is moisturizing. What is this? What is this? I don't know.
Cards.
Oh. I remember there was one year when they gave me a Christmas collection and they wanted me to receive it to give to others. So I think I remember giving away some of the items for my followers. So these are gift cards. So hint hint, if you guys want anything from Innisfree. Mask sets. Of course, their signature green tea seed serum, and now in a special packaging. Maybe because this is my first time unboxing it with you guys, I'm feeling extra excited about the packaging and everything. Eyeshadow palette. So happy unboxing this box. So cute, ooh, this cup and coaster. My favorite fragrance brand. Honestly, my most used fragrance, Jo Malone. And this is their Christmas scent in a very special packaging bottle. Midnight Musk and Amber. It smells very sweet, yet woody and sensual. I love a lot, like English pear. I actually like White Moss and Snowdrop. I think it's their Christmas fragrance 2 years ago. So I think they released it again, but it didn't come to Malaysia. So I was a little bit sad. Yeah. And what else do I like? Honeysuckle, Joseph Flex, Lime Basil, and Mandarin now.
Taeyang also like lime and basil, right?
Yeah, that's his favorite scent. Smells so good. My next holiday collection is from Diptyque. My first love for candles because of Diptyque. It just smells... Oh, smell.
It's beginning to look a lot like Christmas.
And their packaging. If you can see the details, every year their Christmas candles are like next level one. And one of our favorite scents, this one, every year, the green color one. It smells like Christmas pine trees to me. Thank you, Diptyque. Next unboxing is YSL. I love YSL before they came to Malaysia. This year for their printing is a leopard printing for even their lipsticks, eyeshadow palette. Their quality of lipsticks, one of my favorites. Beautiful palette, like beautiful colors for Christmas. And it's not just an eyeshadow palette, it's actually a face palette, so you can use these for blushes, for highlight, special lipstick packaging. I think they have a lot of other holiday sets, so you guys can check them out. But it's never ending. We have more and more. Every year, guys, Sephora with this luggage bag just makes me so excited. As you guys know, Sephora has so many brands, and every time when they send us a PR package, you know that you'll be getting a lot of things, and it's just amazing. Let's start with some holiday sets. This First Aid Beauty, I think I've mentioned this on Instagram and even on YouTube before. It's like a exfoliating pad. I love it. Haven't tried any of the others actually, but they have their very popular Ultra Repair Cream and then an eye cream all in one. This one is so cute. You have this like bear here. Isn't this an amazing gift? Honey mask, conditioning mask. Herbivore. Always wanted to try more of their products. Prism exfoliating glow serum. So it has AHA and BHA and this really pretty packaging. Can't wait to try this serum. Then there's this limited edition Tatcha set. Can't wait to try the water cream especially. Oh, I've tried their Silk Canvas primer and it's a really good soft blurring primer. Oh, this is a really good mini set from Dr. Jart. So they have the ceramide cream. If you guys know, ceramide is a really good ingredient to moisturize and protect the skin. And they have the chicha one, and I love their chicha range, especially the serum. This is so extra, guys. Becca palette. You guys know I love Becca highlighters, so this one. It's a bit bulky, but it has like all these shimmery tones, highlighter. Okay, I'm gonna show one last thing. Ouai. I love this hair care brand. I believe she was hairstylist for Kim Kardashian. Yeah. So this is a shampoo, thick hair shampoo. Looks delicious. delicious. Then we have Fenty, which you can get it in Sephora as well. I mean guys, if you want to get makeup, Fenty creates some of the best makeup products. These gloss bombs I would highly recommend. Or this set actually. You have the Fenty Glow, which is one of my favorite everyday gloss. I'm sure I've used this in one of my videos before. And then it comes with a Fenty Glow as well, the shade for a cream blush, a highlighter, and a gloss all in one. And for Uemura, this year for their holiday collection, they collaborated with One Piece. Just showing you guys because I love, it's my favorite cleansing oil. Sublime. I love Uemura cleansing oil. It's their treasure box eyeshadow palette. If you guys are fans of One Piece, you go crazy for this eyeshadow shades. Next will be one of my favorite brands as well, Origins. They didn't send me their holiday collection, but they sent me a lot of their other products. Since this is a holiday gift set recommendation, I'll highly recommend their holiday gift sets as well. You guys know my holy grail is the soothing treatment lotion, so if you find a holiday set with their soothing treatment lotion, go and try them out. Oh my god, they gave me so many. I use them, Joseph uses them as well, so thank you for restocking our favorite product. Finally, my last one that I'm unboxing in this video is by Drunk Elephant. So apparently this is not available in Malaysia, but actually they sell this whole luggage overseas. It's a collaboration between Drunk Elephant and Monos. So this whole collection is called the Trunk 4.0, where they gave me basically all their essentials, like a full skincare routine. I don't know about you guys, but I'm lost for words. Just feel super happy looking at their products because of their pastel, colorful packaging. And for you guys who don't know, Drunk Elephant is known to eliminate some suspicious ingredients like essential oils or fragrance or silicone. So for you guys who are sensitive towards those ingredients, Drunk Elephant is a good brand to try. Personally, my favorite hydrating serum is just a good old hydrating serum with good ingredients. And their retinol is really popular. Their Proteini moisturizer as well. Actually, I don't have a full size one. I have the mini one that I bought last year. And their sleeping mask. If you guys want anything, hint hint. So that's all for today's video. These are the holiday gift sets that I received this year so far. Just want to say a big thank you to you guys who are watching, and also to my clients and all these brands that send me this, like from the bottom of my heart. I'm really grateful and happy and blessed to give back to you guys. I'm gonna do giveaways. I'm not sure in my head how many I'll be giving away. So all you gotta do is just step 1, like this video. Step 2, subscribe to my YouTube channel. Step 3, comment down below with your Instagram handle, and also maybe let me know what are your wish lists, like what do you want to get this Christmas. You don't have to be specific. If you don't mind winning any skincare products or makeup products, just comment as many times as possible with your Instagram handle, and I'll be announcing the winner in a week in the comment section below. So do check out the video in a week, okay? 2020 might not be the best year for most of us, but let's hope for a better year, and hopefully I can make someone's day, you guys, by gifting these to you guys. And stay tuned for more videos coming ahead, I promise. See you guys in the next one.